This is a quick video on the Spigen phone screen protectors. Mine are for the iPhone. Just wanted to show you guys what's inside. I've already been using these phone screen protectors for about 6 months now. It is a 2-pack, so it does come with 2. This is the second one. I haven't even needed to use it yet because I haven't had any issues with the first one. But I'll show you some of the stuff that comes in the box. So you get a little cleaning wipe here, microfiber rag, and then this little piece of plastic to push the protector down on your screen when you put it on. And also something that's kind of cool for installation here is you'll see it's got like these guides on the plastic. So in the past when I've put these on, you just kind of have to free ball it and put it on best you can and get it as straight as possible. But with this, it just automatically does it for you. All you have to do is put it right over your phone and push it down, and then it's perfectly centered. So really big fan of this product, and I do recommend it.